Well, good morning, guys and gals. It's me, George, the Shade Tree Fixed It Man, on a blustery day here in Holiday, Tennessee. And over here we have the Tablet Man. And we're going to work on his car today. He has, what year is this?
2008
2008
Suzuki SX4.
SX4. And we're going to replace this taillight because it got somewhere along the line, it got broken over there. And if I zero in, you can't get in front of the camera there, young fella. Anyway, it's got water in it because we had a rainstorm. And at the same time, while we're replacing this taillight, I'm going to demonstrate for you this very handy-dandy battery-powered ratchet. Not an expensive one, but I got to tell you, I use this exclusively on changing panels, hoods, doors, everything else on my car, and it has worked well. The battery lasts amazingly long. It comes with 2 batteries, and it reverses up here like a regular ratchet. So you go turn it on, you can turn it off. Switch here has an on-off switch here so that it locks it so it can't inadvertently be used. And yeah, it works just dandy, and I'm going to show you how well it works. Right now. If I get this. If I get my socket on there, right? All we have to do then, I believe, is to slide this out. I think. Okay, I could tell better if I look at his new one. Yeah. Here's the new one that we're going to be putting in, and it just has these 2 little clips in the front here, so I just got to pry that back. Maybe I need a little help from a screwdriver, perhaps. And we don't want to damage his paint job, so we'll use a paper towel. Yeah, just like that. There we go. That's all it took. Now, he's got new taillight bulbs in there because we just replaced them. There we go. That's all there is to that. We'll throw that in the junk pile. And then we'll take our new one. The new one actually came with a whole harness on it. And but we're going to save the harness. Andrew's going to save it for future reference.
Okay.
Because we didn't realize we were going to be replacing the whole taillight when he bought the bulb. He got stopped because he had a taillight bulb out.
Yeah, on that other one.
Yeah. So now we just screw this one in. And we'll go right up the line. Screw this one here in.
The line.
This one looks like it's burnt out. We're going to replace that one too.
That one's burnt now?
It looks like it. It's black.
That means it probably did a burnout. That's what probably happened to the bulb. It probably did a burnout.
Yeah, the bulb did a burnout. we know the Suzuki doesn't do burnouts.
Nope. Because it's not designed for that. It's more of just a regular car.
So new bulb.
Going in.
Press it in there.
Yeah.
Put it in place. Twist. this. A little wipers down here. Line up those little clippies. And slide it right in place like that.
And then you put the screws back in.
We reverse the direction on our handy dandy ratchet. Okay, now we'll have Mr. Andrew go and turn his lights on, make sure everything works. Yep, left directional. Yep. Put it in reverse.
Reverse.
Yep. Yep, the backup light works. Okay, put it back in the park. Take your foot off the brake. Turn your tail lights on. Yep, now step on the brake.
I'm on the brake.
Let your foot off the brake. Got your tail lights on?
Yeah, they're on.
No, are they? Yes, it is on that side. Oh, there it is. Okay, now step on the brake. Yeah, okay. She's good to go.
Alrighty.
And there you are. That's all there is to it. 2008 Suzuki SX4 taillight replacement. You saw it right here with the Shade Tree Fix-It Man
And the tablet man.
and the Tablet Man. Thanks for watching, commenting, subscribing, thumbs up, sharing.
Yeah.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.
So, I was so excited with getting that taillight assembly done, I forgot to finish telling you about this. It's 12-volt battery, comes with 2 batteries and a charger, and I think it was like 45 bucks I paid for it on eBay. It's a no-name brand. It comes in several different colors. You get it in green and red and blue, and I don't know. I got it this red color because a lot of my power tools are Harbor Freight Bauer, and this is the color combination, so it fits just dandy with my set. But yeah, check it out. I'll leave a link for you down in the description. Well worth the investment, and I'm very impressed with the battery length. It's lithium ion batteries. Yeah, and it has amazing amount of power for a small unit. Just as good, maybe better than an air-powered ratchet, and no air hose hooked up to it. Not really heavy either. Yes, sir. Enjoy.